Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now I know it's been a while, but today I'm bringing you a brand new install video, and today I'm going to be installing these, which are fog light armors from Thatfoglightguy. Now I've gone for these ones which have slits in them, but you can just get plain normal armors that go over your fog light which are coloured. When you buy these you get a set of 2 of these, one for each fog light, and also a set of these little red dots, sticky dots. You get 8 of these, and you will need to cut them in half like that and stick them on the fog light armors when you go to fit them. Now it's worth noting that these aren't red, these are actually clear, so when you stick them on the coloured ones especially, you shouldn't see them through the light. Because I've got black opaque acrylic fog light armors, I've stuck them on the back and you won't see them because they're in the areas where the light doesn't come through. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can install these on the MK8, and we'll jump straight into the install. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove the fog light surround with a trim tool, moving it into the positions where the clips are to release the clips from the bumper. And then you can actually pull away the fog surround pretty easily once that's done. If you don't have a set of trim tools, it's well worth investing in a set. You can pick up a set on Amazon for under £10, and they are really handy for lots of little jobs on the car. The next thing I'm going to do is take an alcohol wipe and wipe the fog light. I'm just making sure I remove any dirt or bugs or anything that's going to stop the sticky pads from adhering to the fog light. Next, I'm actually going to take my fog light armor and I'm going to stick all the sticky pads onto the back of it. Now I've already pre-cut most of mine and also stuck most of them on the back. When you do buy these, you do get a bit of paper which shows you roughly where you should be sticking them. I did find it a little hard to make out because it was on a small picture on black and white, so I sort of just guessed, and on these ones specifically you can kind of work out, you know, you just don't want to stick them over where the gaps are because it's gonna start to affect the light. But I'm sure if you had just the coloured ones it might make more of a difference. I'm not really 100% sure. Just try and keep the stickers out of the area where the fog light is going to be, I guess. I don't know. On these ones it's not too bad. Anyway, I'm going to take the backing off of all these so that they're ready to stick straight onto the glass, and I can move on to the next step. Okay, so what I've done next is I've got the fog surround. I'm just basically lining it up on the car to see where I should be sticking the fog light armor, roughly where it should be positioned. Now if you have tape, or if you've got like a whiteboard pen to mark where the hole is actually on the fog light, then I'm sure that'd be really handy. I didn't have one of those to hand, so I just sort of kept placing it, placing it, not fully sticking the fog light armor onto the fog light, but only having it on there enough so it was easy enough to take off and it wasn't gonna affect the stickiness of the pads. Anyway, now when I was finally happy and I checked it and I was like, yes, that's where I want it, I then pressed it on fully and then fitted the fog surround again. When fitting the fog surrounds, make sure you are getting all the clips back into their right positions. Sometimes they can bend and not go into their slots properly, so always make sure that, you know, each of the little clips is going back into the position that it came from. and then it's not going to come off, and you know it's going to stay on there. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a while. I will be uploading more in the coming few weeks, so stay tuned for some more videos. If you guys did like this video though, leave me a thumbs up. Remember to go check out Thatfoglightguy if you're interested in some of these. They are some really good stuff, so it's definitely worth checking out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Big help, it's really appreciated. I should be back doing some more videos, so lots more stuff coming your way, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.